Hi, we're here today to show you how to successfully make an oh wow monster hand from your hand. This is Zelda, our CEO, and I'm Richard. Let's get started. With all of our kits, we recommend adult supervision. Let's take a look inside your kit. You've got one bag of seaweed or alginate, which is used for making the mold of your hand. You have a bag of plaster gypsum, as well as a bag to mix the plaster gypsum together, a set of fake fingernails and glue, as well as a Kelpman card with fun facts about seaweed, tongue depressor, fake blood. Our blood does stain your hands and clothing, so we want to make sure you're aware of that, as well as we are working on a non-staining blood. There's also instructions inside for you to follow. And last is a base ring for you to make the base of your monster hand. Inside the bucket, there's a red measured line to help you pour the water up to your mold line. And Zelda, do you have anything? No? You're quiet today. Before you start, determine how you want to hold your hand. Do you want to do a couple's hand? We could do a wall sconce with a couple holding hands. Do you want to do a kind of a wolf band type hand? Is there a favorite hand that you have from a film that you'd like to recreate? Think about it before you start. Okay, the next thing we want to do is mix up the seaweed or alginate to make the mold of your hand. There's a red measured line inside the bucket. I poured warm water up there, just warm water to the touch. Now I'm going to do is take the bag of seaweed, and I'm just going to pour the entire bag into the water. I've already determined how I want to hold my hand. Snap the lid on, and I'm going to shake this for 25 to 30 seconds. Snap the lid off. I know I've got a good mixture because there's no powder visible anywhere. It's just a good blue slime. I'll stick my hand in my desired position. I'm trying to keep my fingertips and hands off the side of the plastic container. Wait about 2.5 minutes and the mold will set up. It'll be like firm tofu or jello. A good way to tell that your mold material is set up is you can see it's quite firm. It's like tofu or jello at that point. The next thing we want to do is get our hand out of the mold, and what I'm going to do is I just want to get a little bit of air. You want to just get a little air in around the mold, so you want to just kind of wriggle your wrist a little bit. You can see I'm getting some space and air around there. And you want to just kind of wiggle your fingers just a little bit lightly. If you're holding an object, you want to leave that object in the mold. So just let go of the object and leave it there. And then you want to just lightly pull your hand out. And you know you've got a good mold or good cast when there's very little material stuck to your hands. Okay, now to cast your hand, I'm going to take this base ring that came with your kit, and I'm going to put it on top of the mold, and I'm just going to slightly turn it a little bit and push a little bit so that it cuts into the seaweed material. That's going to make the base of our hand. Okay, next I filled the plaster gypsum bag with water up to the red line, just from the sink, and I'm going to just add the plaster gypsum. I'm going to add maybe about 1/3 at a time into the bag. And I'm going to take that and then just kind of mix it up with my hands. I can seal that too, prevent any kind of powder coming out. I'm just going to mix that up so that it's really at about you know, there's no lumps or anything in it. A little bit more. So we're kind of working to get any sort of lumps or anything else out of this. It's a nice green slime mixture. Throw the rest of it in there. Get rid of any lumps or anything in there. You can close the bag, ziplock it if you want, if you're worried about spilling it. You can shake it, whatever you want to do. And what I want to do is to pour it. I'm going to pour it in the fingers first. So maybe about halfway, just covering over the fingers, and I'm going to kind of tap it to help release any of the air bubbles in it. Then I'll continue to pour it. Maybe pour it up to the top. Give it some good taps to help release any air bubbles. And then pour the rest of it up to create my base ring. We're then going to wait about 20-25 minutes till it's set up, and we should be all set. Next step is we're going to take the mold out. We're going to take your tongue depressor, just kind of run it around outside here of the mold. Another good item to use if you have it is like a cake spatula, and just take that and run it around the outside. So we're going to just kind of tip this upside down, and mold material, move that to the side. The best way to take this out now is, you know, you understand how you held your hand, but it's to start it from the bottom and start to pull out some of the seaweed from the base. Because what you want to do is, the material's still a little bit soft, but you want to pull it out from the sides and up. And you can see I'm starting to expose a little bit of the hand. So I'm going to start to kind of pull that up. I'm not pulling across, I'm really kind of pulling up in the direction of my cast. If you're holding some other object, maybe you want to follow that object. You can also use your tongue depressor to kind of cut into the material. If you want to cut between materials or cut away. Now let's see, that exposed a finger. So now I found a thumb. And you want to just remove material a little bit at a time. So there I've exposed some fingers. So now I know I can start at the base. And it's kind of warm because I can still feel this material is exothermic. It's still not quite set. So I'm pulling up with the material, not across where I might break something. You get some incredible detail here. And that base ring kind of set our base for us. So we're going to take that off. And now you've got the most incredible hand ready for a monster hand. You can also use your tongue depressor to snap it, break it into some different shapes so that you then pick away and get rid of some of that material that's still stuck to the hand. Awesome job.